SikaMiniPack Concrete Repair is a multi-purpose ready-to-use mortar for structural repairs and reprofiling concrete structures. SikaMiniPack Concrete Repair is used for structural restoration and repair of various concrete elements, resurfacing of damaged areas on vertical or horizontal surfaces, filling, shaping, and finishing of small defects. The mixture ratio is approximately 0.75 liters of water for 5 kilograms of powder. The surface has to be appropriately prepared. Where steel reinforcement bars are laid open, remove all rust and other loose material. Remember that any surfacing steel reinforcement must be treated with corrosion inhibitor material, for example SikaMiniPack anti-corrosion. Wet the surface to saturation before application, avoiding standing water. Mix the powder with water with a low-speed mixer until a homogeneous consistency is reached. Apply it with a trowel, pressing the material well onto the substrate. Use a sponge trowel as soon as the mortar has started to set for a smooth finish. Protect the fresh mortar from early dehydration. Clean all tools and application equipment with water immediately after use. SikaMiniPack Concrete Repair provides excellent workability even on overhead applications, no shrinkage, and good mechanical properties. Good adhesion to most common building materials such as concrete, stone, bricks, and steel. It's available in boxes with 4 aluminum bags of 5 kilograms each. It comes as a gray powder. Sika, building trust.